I decided to take a challenge of making six-figure business. I am starting print-on-demand business completely from scratch without any experience. I know this is a huge goal, but hey, no pain, no gain, right? I will show you everything what I do here. The good, the bad, the ugly. Since this is just beginning of the challenge, I will keep this video short and informative, so make sure you follow me and keep watching from the very beginning to the very end. As I said before, I don't have any previous experience, so you can learn together with me. Hope I can help you in the future to avoid my mistakes, and this is a good chance for you if you are looking for best time to start your dropshipping business. And yes, that's right, print-on-demand business is a part of dropshipping business model. First and first, let me explain what print-on-demand business is. It's a business model when you create your own design and put on various different products like t-shirts, phone cases, hoodies, and so on. When customer buys your design, it gets printed and shipped directly to the client, so without you ever touch the product. This means no inventory, no upfront cost, and low-risk business model. To begin with, I paid $250 to freelancer to set up a store and create 25 listings to my shop with SEO optimization. This is the best investment I ever done. It saved me a lot of time and effort. But it doesn't mean that you have to do the same. You can do it by your own. The thing is, I cannot do this full time because of my 9-to-5 job and this YouTube main feed. The one thing what I will do is sit chatting with my clients and make sure they're happy. I have this idea to start an Etsy shop for a long time, probably more than 1 year. But the problem is that I'm Ukrainian and Etsy blocked to create new stores from Ukrainians. So I had to sort this issue. As you see, I sorted this issue and now I can start my Etsy shop. So hopefully you will enjoy this content, enjoy this topic, and hopefully I will help you somehow. I think this is a good idea to start the shop right now because January, February, and March are usually low activity months in my niche, so I have more than enough time to set up a store and add listings there. Important note, I'm not sure if I will do the ads on the Etsy because I expect to gain first orders organically and hopefully to get 5-star reviews. The key to a successful print-on-demand business is to find a winning product. I will show you how I done this. This is the Printify. More details about why do we need this later, but right now it's interesting for us catalogs. So here we see there's a lot of different categories and we are interested in best sellers. So as we see, the most popular is t-shirts, then hoodies, different tanks, socks, mugs. So these are the products what I am personally and I think you will like to start with because this is the best sellers and again this is the most interesting for us. Also you can use Etsy Hunt. This is a free tool but also they have paid version, so you could just use it to analyze more deeply niche best products and if you want you can niche down your product. Let's talk about finding design ideas. So one great way is just to go to Etsy and see what actually works. So you type in search bar, for example, t-shirts for her, and you just see where is the best sellers, where is a lot of sales. And this is what actually working right now and what we are interested in. Also another way to find the nice ideas is to search in the Pinterest or Instagram. Once you have design ideas, you need a tool to actually design. So you can use such a Canva or Adobe Illustrator or a lot of different things. I prefer Canva and same thing for my freelancer. She's doing this on the Canva. She provides me the URL, I check, approve, and then we just go. If you're a beginner like I am, I suggest you to use Canva because it has some templates, also has some design elements. But if you're more like pro, so probably you need to use some more tool like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop or so on. When you're creating a design, it's very important to keep in mind what your potential clients are looking for. Think about what kind of products they're looking for and what kind of design would appeal to them. Don't be afraid to experiment with styles, colors to find what works best for you. Do you like this video? Give it a like, it means so much for me. I put so much effort to make this video. I appreciate it. Thank you. Printify is a great platform for print-on-demand business. as it connects you with a lot of different providers where you can choose best winning products for you. Create an Printify account and connect it to your Etsy store. By the way, check the URLs in the description to this video. Browse and choose the product what you want to sell and just click create and go through creation process. After you're done with your design, provide the design to Printify, select your preferred pricing and shipping, and you're good to publish your first listings to your Etsy account. Once you receive an order, Printify automatically will manage it, print it, ship it, and you will get an order ID where you can track your order and make sure everything goes all right. Very important to note that Printify has a lot of different products, and it's pretty good idea to test each of them and make sure what works best for you. Additionally, it's important to optimize your listing with titles, description, and tags to increase visibility on ads. Starting a print-on-demand business on Etsy using Printify is a great idea to start online business without experience. This is a low-risk business model with high potential. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe if you haven't, so you will not miss my future video about this challenge and about my statuses. Thanks for watching. Bye!